Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create emails address groups in Gmail. Okay, so you can create a group of email address and you can send mail or to this group at once. So I'm going to show in my desktop. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my Gmail account. So first, open the email account you are, and now you have to go in contacts with the same email id. Okay, so log in with contacts with the same email id. You can see in both I have same email id. So now you can add new contacts from here. If you want to add, you can create new contacts. Like if I add contacts like netcast email id, netcast new, just save it. So click on contacts again. So now in order to create groups means you have to create labels. So it is like labels, so you have to select contacts which you want to add in groups. So select, I have select only 1 2 3 4 5 contacts. Now go to the labels and you can move these or label these with your existing labels. But if you want to create new labels, you can create like this. Just taste, give the name of labels. Okay, so I just give test group name and just save it. So it has been saved now. So you can see I just create the test group name here where I have add 4 contacts. So it has been created. Now you have to go in your Gmail and just refresh it. Okay, now go to the compose and into, if you want to add BCC or CC, you can add like from here or here. So so if I want to add this group email ID in CC, just click on CC, and from here we have to choose this label. So I think I create this label. I just created this one. So I think this one. Okay, so I have 4 contacts. You can select all from this group or labels, or you can select unselect if you want. Okay, so it's, I just select everything and just insert. You can see all contacts from these labels, or you can say groups, has been inserted here, and you can send mail to all these emails of group. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.